In a small, picturesque village nestled amidst lush greenery and rolling hills, life moved at its own leisurely pace. The villagers lived in harmony, each household familiar with the others, their lives intertwined by shared traditions and stories passed down through generations. Among them were three sisters Meera, Anika, and Kavya, known for their quiet demeanor and graceful presence. The sisters lived in a modest house on the edge of the village, surrounded by a garden that bloomed year round. Their parents had passed away when they were young, leaving them to fend for themselves. Despite their circumstances, they never complained, earning their livelihood through embroidery and selling handcrafted items at the village market. Though respected and admired, the sisters were also the subject of whispered conversations. Their reclusive nature fueled speculation. They rarely attended village gatherings, and visitors to their home were few and far between. Villagers often wondered about their lives behind the closed doors of their serene abode, but the sisters maintained their privacy with quiet grace. One fateful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky with shades of amber and crimson, a loud, unsettling sound reverberated through the village. It seemed to come from the direction of the sisters' home. A crowd quickly gathered outside their house, curiosity and concern etched on their faces. Knocking on the door and calling out to the sisters yielded no response. Driven by worry, the villagers decided to investigate. When they entered the house, they were struck by the stark contrast between its humble exterior and the mysterious aura within. The walls were adorned with intricate designs, glowing faintly in the dim light. Symbols that seemed otherworldly were etched into the furniture and floors. At the center of the main room, a large, locked chest stood as though guarding a secret. The sisters were nowhere to be found. After much deliberation, the villagers decided to open the chest. What they discovered inside left them in stunned silence. It was filled with objects that defied explanation, shimmering stones that seemed to pulse with light, scrolls inscribed in an unfamiliar language, and an ornate mirror that reflected not just the onlooker but another realm entirely. Before anyone could comprehend the findings, the sisters appeared at the door. Their calm presence stood in stark contrast to the turmoil within the room. Meera, the eldest, stepped forward and addressed the villagers, her voice steady but filled with emotion. We have long kept this secret, not out of deceit, but to protect the balance of our world and yours. These artifacts are a legacy passed down through generations of our family. They are the keys to a hidden dimension, one that exists alongside our own but must remain separate. The energy you feel is not of this earth but is bound to it by ancient ties. The villagers listened, captivated yet skeptical. Anika and Kavya added their voices, explaining how they had spent their lives guarding the artifacts and ensuring they were never misused. They pleaded for the villagers' trust and asked them to keep the knowledge of this discovery within the confines of the village. In the days that followed, the sisters worked tirelessly to seal the artifacts in a more secure location, their connection to the mystical realm both a burden and a blessing. The villagers, though shaken, chose to honor the sisters' plea for secrecy, understanding the gravity of the situation. Life in the village eventually returned to its gentle rhythm, but the events of that evening left an indelible mark on everyone who witnessed them. The sisters continued their quiet lives, their bond with the villagers strengthened by trust and shared responsibility. And though the mystery of their secret remained, it became a reminder of the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary, waiting to be discovered by those willing to look beyond the surface. Would you like me to refine any part of the narrative?